Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing of these Lenovo Wireless Earbuds. Here's the box. Here it shows you like the features and stuff. Here you got like a manual. It's just a manual. And now you got like the earphones themselves. And here you've got the Type-C charger, like the cable. So just your standard Type-C. Here you got some like spare earbuds. I think they're in different sizes as well. I think these ones are smaller. The ones like these ones. Well, here's the earphones themselves. Here's a case. And this is where you plug in the charger. And to open it, you just slide like this. Here's the right earbud. And here's the left one. Yep. And it comes with like a protective film to protect the contact pins. Yep. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing.